Hello, today I'll share 5 important tips for beginner investors. If you're new and looking to step into the world of investing, these tips can help you. 1. Start with education. Firstly, educate yourself before investing. Take the time to understand financial markets and different investment instruments. Develop your financial literacy through books, articles, videos, and courses. Being knowledgeable is fundamental to becoming a successful investor. 2. Set goals and make a plan. Secondly, set investment goals and create a plan. Determine how much profit you want to make over what time frame and establish your risk tolerance. Stick to your investment plan and avoid making emotional decisions. 3. Diversification is key. The third tip is to diversify your portfolio. Putting all your eggs in one basket is risky. Spread your risk across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, commodities, etc., and sectors. 4. Evaluate your financial situation carefully. Fourthly, carefully assess your financial situation before investing. Build emergency funds and select money for investment that you can afford to risk. Remember that investment capital shouldn't be needed to cover your daily expenses. 5. Be patient and seek expert advice. Lastly, be patient and seek advice from experts. Investing can take time and requires patience. Consider working with financial advisors to get professional advice. Learn from the experiences and advice of seasoned investors. These 5 tips for beginner investors can help you start your journey on solid ground. Remember that investing involves risks and always proceed with caution. Wishing you success.